You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this name. This is also a word in English. If you want to learn more color names, more vocabulary in English that is confusing, stay tuned. We got them all at the end of the video. Violet, that's the English pronunciation. It comes from French violet. It's either a flower, violet in French, or a color, which is a bluish purple color. Violet, violet. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.